welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have GEC Whispair 42 inches ceiling fan. I have showed this fan to you previously in an older video, so I thought today it's best time to restore it in my spare time. So as you can see, it's in really rough condition. 42 inches small motor, and today is the best time to restore it. I got this fan without canopy, so I have some spare GEC canopy. So I'll use these and quick this and clean it, and we can use it. So let's tear it down completely, blade shanks, everything, and then we'll sand it. So as you can see, everything is sanded, drying. Once it dries, we'll start painting. As you can see, the label was loose, so I removed it and sanded under it as well. The label is here, it's in decent shape. A few scratches are there, but no problem. We'll fix it off after painting. And yeah, so we'll paint in a short time. So guys, let's start painting. I'm going to be repainting this fan in ivory color. Originally this fan was more white color, but I'm choosing ivory to get a slightly better shade as well. So let's start. So guys, it's the next day here. I have let this dry for overnight, and it's proper now. As you can see, yes, there are few patches which, on the blades it's no big deal because fan rotates, it's fine. And there are also a few touch-up parts, but we'll leave it as it is. It's no big deal for me. So yeah, let's start assembling the fan. So as the fan is finally assembled, let's fix the blades, install it on the ceiling and do a test run. As you can see, the fan is finally installed. It looks awesome, but there is a problem. We can't test run it because the winding is burnt. Last time when I used it in the video, it was running, but then today when I switched it on after restoration, it gave a humming sound and suddenly shut off. Smoke started coming. So maybe the posts were quite dancing, so maybe the insulation of the old windings got bad. So I guess it's time for a rewind. I hope you like the restoration. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the test run, but yeah, some things don't happen as per plan. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.